Hello, welcome to Learning Planet. Today we will learn parts of speech. Before we start, please make sure you have subscribed my channel Learning Planet and also press the bell icon so that you won't miss my next video. In last video, we learned a sentence is a group of words. All these words are divided into some classes or categories according to their use and according to their work, whatever they do in sentence. So all these categories and classes are called parts of speech. In English, we have 8 parts of speech: noun, pronoun, adjective, verb, adverb, preposition, conjunction, and interjection. What are nouns? A noun is a word used as name of a person, a place, a thing, an animal, an idea, or any action. किसी भी जगह का नाम, किसी इंसान का नाम, कोई भी एक थिंग, कोई आइडिया, कोई एक्शन. These are all called nouns. For example, Rohan, Peter, Mount Everest, cat, table, India, bunch, women, freedom, happiness, sadness, roses, army. These are all called nouns. Few more examples we have. I live in Australia. Australia is the noun. Pacific Ocean is very vast. I love to read storybooks. Nouns further divided into some categories. These classifications are proper noun, common noun, collective noun, abstract noun, countable and uncountable noun. In coming videos, we will learn them deeply. Next we have pronoun. A pronoun is a word used instead of a noun. For example, I, we, you, they, he, she, it, himself, themselves, how, everyone. These all are pronouns. Few more examples. She loves watching movies, especially if they are comedy. These are beautiful, but those belongs to Danny. This is the woman whose key you found. Classification of pronouns are personal, indefinite, demonstrative, intensive, reflexive, interrogative, and relative. Adjective. An adjective is a word used to add something to the meaning of a noun or pronoun. किसी भी noun या pronoun की विशेषता जो word बताता है उसको हम adjective कहते हैं. For example, blue, angry, round, little, beautiful, clever, few, some. These are all adjectives. Some more examples are here. My shirt is better than yours. मेरी शर्ट तुम्हारी शर्ट से बेहतर है. बेहतर वर्ड जो है, better word, ये एक विशेषता है. This cup has less sugar than I need. My house is very spacious and clean. Types of adjectives are quality, quantity, demonstrative, number, distributive, interrogative, exclamatory, and possessive. Fourth one is verb. Verbs are the words used to indicate an action. कोई भी action जो हम काम कर रहे हैं, उस काम जो किया जा रहा है उसको हम action कहते हैं, और उसके लिए जो word use होता है वो होता है verb. A doing of something. It's a action of a doer. For example, think, कुछ सोच रहे हैं, grow, believe, run, squeeze, sneeze, cook, jump, forgive, enable, listen, climb. These all are verbs. More examples. I cut my hand while chopping the vegetables. The boy has drunk the glass of water that I gave him. The vase was broken by me. Verbs are also divided into 3 parts: auxiliary verbs, action verbs and linking verbs. In coming videos, we will learn them deeply. Next we have adverb. An adverb is a word that modifies a verb. जो verb को modify करता है, मतलब जो action को modify करके दिखा रहा है. An adjective को modify कर रहा है या फिर किसी और adverb को sentence में जो modify कर रहा है उसके बारे में कुछ add on कर रहा है, उसको हम adverb कहते हैं. For example, sadly, rudely, daily, yesterday, fluently, truly, frequently, smoothly. ज़्यादातर वर्ड्स में यहाँ पे आपको दिखेगा आप ly लगा हुआ है. ज़्यादा वर्ड्स जो आपको मिलेंगे एडवर्ब्स में उनमें साथ में ly लगा होता है. More examples are last weekend I stayed home. He plays the flute beautifully. She truthfully answered the police officer's question. Adverbs are further divided into 4 categories: manner, place, time, as well as frequency. What is preposition? A preposition is a word that links noun, pronoun and phrases to other words in the sentence. जो words को आपस में जोड़ने का काम करते हैं वो words हमारे prepositions होते हैं. At, against, under, underneath, according to, within, until, around, beyond. These all are prepositions. I'll take the red one instead of the blue one. Instead of is a preposition. ये words को आपस को sentence को जोड़ने का काम कर रहा है. The post office is across the street from the grocery store. A fair little girl sat under the tree. Prepositions have 5 types: simple, double, compound, participle and phrase. Conjunction. A conjunction is a word that joins 2 words, groups or words और sentence. 2 sentences को जोड़ता है, 2 phrases को जोड़ता है, 2 words को जोड़ता है. Sentence के अंदर ये भी जोड़ने के काम आता है. For example, because, even though, as much as, no matter how, until, yet, either, neither. These all are conjunctions. 2 sentences को जोड़ने का काम करता है इसलिए हम इसको conjunction बोलते हैं. I ran fast but missed the train. मैं बहुत तेज भागा लेकिन still I missed the train. Neither Maria nor Ivan had read the book. किसी ने भी book नहीं पढ़ी. I hate broccoli as much as I hate cauliflower. जितना मैं broccoli को hate करता हूँ उतना ही I hate cauliflower. Conjunctions have 3 types: coordinating conjunction, correlative conjunction and subordinative conjunctions. Last parts of speech is interjection. And interjection is a word which expresses some sudden feeling or emotion and usually used in exclamatory sentences. कोई भी sudden feeling या emotion दिखाने के लिए हम use करते हैं और ज़्यादातर अगर आप देखोगे इसको exclamatory sentences में use किया जाता है. For example, wow, well done, ouch. ये हम अपनी feeling किसी को बता रहे हैं. Oh gosh, congratulations, hooray, ew, it tastes so dirty. कितना गंदा टेस्ट है. ये हम अपनी किसी को फीलिंग बता रहे हैं. Wow, what a beautiful watch. कितनी सुंदर वॉच है. Well done, you have done a good job. आपने बहुत अच्छा काम किया है. Interjection have 5 types: greeting and farewell, joy and surprise, grief or pain, approval and praise, doubt or hesitation. In coming videos, we will learn all the types in depth. And if you haven't subscribed my channel yet, please subscribe my channel Learning Planet and hit the bell icon so that you won't miss my coming videos. Ta-da! Time to practice now. Separate all the categories or parts of speech out of all these sentences: noun, pronoun, adjective, verb, adverb, conjunction, preposition, interjection. Time for daily dose of conversation now. Write it down in your notebook and practice with your family, friends, relatives, as well as with yourself while standing in front of mirror. One more conversation for practice. Start practicing from today only and try to speak in English and try to think in English. Here's a little story for you to improve your reading. You might find some difficult words in the story, and what you need to do is you need to separate them all and find the meaning and create your own sentences. Finally, time to build your vocabulary now. Here are some words with meaning. You need to create your own sentences from your real life and practice with your friends and family. So this was all about parts of speech. If you find this helpful, please like and comment. Also share this video with your family and friends. And if you haven't subscribed my channel, please subscribe the channel Learning Planet and also hit the bell icon so that you won't miss my next videos. You will find the link in my description for all the material. Bye bye. Happy learning.